Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. We are at 30th day of July LeetCode Challenge and the problem we are going to cover in this video is map sum pairs. So here it is again an implementation problem where we have to implement three methods. The first method map sum is as usual a constructor where we have to initialize our data structure, and the second method is void insert where they have given a key value pair where we have to insert that into our data structure, and the third method is sum, which actually add up all the values of keys whose prefix start with the given string. So let's understand this with an example. So here is a given example in our problem statement where the first call is to create the data structure and the second call is insert. So the key value pair they have sent is apple with the value 3. So now the second query is to sum the prefix with AP. So here we have only one entry in our map whose prefix is AP. So the sum is actually going to be 3. So that is going to be our output. And next is insert. So we don't have to really return anything but add this key and the value to our map. So here the key is APP and the value is 2, and we made the entry to our hash map. And then comes sum where we have to again add the words starting with AP. So here we have two words in total that starts with AP. So we have to add those two values and return that as our output. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and we are going to return that as our output. So how are we going to approach this? So this is pretty straightforward brute force algorithm where we put in all the values to our hash map. So as they said, every time we enter the same key to the hash map, the value has to be updated or overridden. So the default property of hash map is whenever we update the key for the second time, the new value which has been entered will be updated at that place. So that can be accomplished by simply doing map.put key comma value. So how do we sum it? Every time we encounter a prefix, we are going to iterate all the keys in our map and check whether it is starting with that particular prefix or not, and if it matches, then we are going to keep adding those values whichever key matches the prefix. So this is going to be a brute force approach where to insert it is going to take only constant time, but to get the sum of the words with prefix it is going to take big O of n into p time complexity, where n is nothing but the number of entries in the hash map as we have to iterate all the entries, and p is nothing but the number of words with matching prefix. We are going to call the sum method frequently, so by using this brute force approach it is going to time limit exceed for so many number of requests. So in order to avoid that, how do we approach this method in an optimal way? So here in this approach we are going to try storing the prefix and its corresponding sum in a data structure already and access the sum in constant time. So for example, the first option is to insert apple comma 3. So in our hash map where we have to store the key value pair, instead of storing just the word and its value, we are going to put all possible prefixes for that particular word. For example, A is going to have value 3, AP is going to have value 3 again, and APP is also going to have 3. So now we had put all possible prefixes for this particular word apple with value 3. So next, when we have our sum, instead of finding the prefix, we directly going to find this word itself because we have stored already the prefixes. So it directly going to look up our table for AP and return the corresponding value in our map. So again goes to the next word, insert APP. So here in this case we again have the word APP. So what we are going to do, again we are going to find all possible prefixes for this word. The possible prefixes are going to be A, AP and APP. So here the value is 2. So for value A there is already 3. So we are going to update its value plus 2. Because if suppose it has been asked a question that we have to sum up all the values for prefix A, then it directly going to look up for A and return its value. So we are updating it in previous hand. So here there comes AP. AP is also going to be updated by a 2. and APP is also going to be updated by a 2. So now we had set all the sums already calculated for these prefixes. So again there comes a sum. Now it is not going to calculate or look for any prefixes. Instead it is directly going to look for our hash map and return the value what is there in the table. Same way, if there are new words come up, we are going to split those words in beforehand by finding all its possible prefixes and add if there is no prefix exist and update if there is a prefix already exist for that word. And this is going to work in big O of one time while looking for the sum, because it is directly going to look for that word in our hash map. And while storing the key value pair, it is going to take big O of k square time complexity, where k is the length of the given word. So which means it is going to take character by character and store the word in the hash map. So yes, hope you're understanding this solution. Let's go to the code now. So let's first initialize two maps. So we are going to initialize those two maps inside our mapSum method. So here score map is the one which is going to store all possible prefixes with its corresponding value. So here, while looking for sum, we are simply going to return what is there in the value of that particular key prefix. So yes, this is it. We are left with only the insert method now. So here we are going to first calculate the value of the difference between the current value sent and what is there for that particular string already stored in the map. So first we are going to put the value and key as such, and then going to calculate all possible prefixes for that word and put that into our map. So yes, we are going to take each character from our word sent and put that prefix with its corresponding value if it is already present, plus the difference between the previous value and the current value. So once all this is updated, our sum method is simply going to take that score and return its value. So yes, this is it. Let's run and try. So yes, let's submit. Yes, the solution is accepted and runs in 16 milliseconds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and let me know in comments. Thank you.